Good morning. Good morning. I've got your food. Good morning. Good morning, boys. Good morning. Hi, Stripe. Hi, Morris. You want to go for a walk? All right, let's go. We're supposed to have rain today, but it's in the 40s right now, going into the 50s. It's not windy. It's currently partly cloudy. It's pretty nice out here, so I'm gonna be a good girl and I'm gonna go get my walk in. Dawn is already on a conference call. Hi, Slate, what you doing down there? Don't run through in the wintertime when it's wet. Running through in the summertime when it's dry, no big deal. I do not know what kind of bird that is. I do not know. My old eyes and no lens, I can't zoom in on anybody. Dawn's already gotten the paper. I put the finishing touches on the outside. I am missing a few of these 2x2s with a dot in the middle to go here. But I do have the little brown slopes to go on top. And other than I've got a few black rungs over here instead of brown. I think, and I need 2 gray pieces here instead of white. I'm good. It's done. The outside for the lower level is complete. So I got to take a break for a while. But then I'm probably going to work on the inside. Maybe go for a ride in Ruby and then come back and work on the inside a bit. I found this pre-made cake from a friend's set I had gotten. And I'm probably going to put that inside. I know it's not a bakery, but that looks bakery for candy store festive, I think. Well, I took a Google Meet from the front porch from the treehouse. I was on with Johnny's principal and another staff member that coordinates the students' transition from Thompson campus over to St. Augustine's University. Johnny will be taking some college courses in the fall, and I just wanted to get a warm feely for some stuff, touch base, understand how some things were going to work, start to get it. And it was a very worthwhile hour-long meet. We also talked a little bit about robotics, and at this time, I'm planning to do robotics again next fall for the school as well. So, all good, all good. It's a really pretty afternoon, really great sitting on the front porch. The guys on the chat with me were a little jealous that they weren't invited to the treehouse. And Dawn's off for his run now, and I am headed to play pogo. I'm a little bit in Dawn's way, turning into the neighborhood here, but I think he can get past me. Coming up that hill, coming up that hill. I love you. Hey, Dottie. That hill's killer. Hey, don't look too crowded. And I just feel like going in. Michelle and I will meet Friday, but I'm going to make a quick pass. I promise, like a 30-minute pass. I got time. I think Dawn went home, showered, and went back to work. And I got dinner under control, and kitties are square for a little while more, so why not? I enjoyed walking around in there. It was crowded than the parking lot looked, and/or at least all the people were in Little Angel and not the big store. I guess the big store wasn't very crowded, but the little store was. I picked up a couple of things. I did find a bin of Legos. Iffy on whether or not I should have went for it, but I did. They're so hard to come by. Got a couple of Corel plates. Got a cushy floor mat for in the kitchen, and maybe one or two other little things. Not a lot, but I enjoyed walking around as always. The country music was really loud in the store today, and there's no way I could talk over it, not especially behind the face shield and a double layer mask. It just wasn't happening in there. I'll take a picture when I get home of the couple of things that I got. Stopping by South Park to finish my Pokemon for the day and spotted a white Model 3. Well, no wonder I didn't even bring a jacket with me today. I just looked and Ruby says, I kid you not, it's 64 degrees out there. I just stopped to check the mail at the end of the driveway. Wow, it's really pretty. It's really nice. I'll take a one-day reprieve from winter. Yeah, see, Don's got the garage doors open, and that's because he's letting the cold air out and the warm air in. Since he heats the garage and in the winter and cools it in the summer when we have unexpected, for example, high heat days in the winter, he'll open the doors to exchange the air. Well, there's one of my gray girls. That's actually is gray. Wonder where Tux is. Hi, Jules. So this Lego bin is actually got plenty in it, and I'm glad that I got it now. There's more wheels in here, which are possibly usable on the robots than I anticipated, and it really is almost all genuine Lego branded stuff. And yeah, I'm pleased with what I got. There's a couple of minifigures, some little pieces. This is a very well, it's not this one, but there was one thing in here that has really special fancy gears on it. So I'm pretty pleased. See, I wasn't kidding. The house thermometer outdoor, it says it's 67. This is the cushy floor mat that I got. I had a little blue rug here, but it slides around all the time. This won't slide anywhere. I think I'm gonna like it better. This is the owl pillow I picked up for $1. And I got this little owl clip-on. I'd already have this guy. This is the Corel pattern I picked up. Just 2 dinner plates, $1 a piece. I have this set, so I'll just wash them and then take them up to the attic and put them on the right stack. That's it. Just a few things. It's meatball night. I didn't make the spaghetti squash this time, but Johnny will have plenty left for lunch for the next few days. Needed something for lunch.